Hey friends in the crochet world, it's Dana from Nellie DC Crochet. So I am so excited about this Elements crochet along from Hooks and Yarn. But first of all, pardon my sound, I came back from our Christmas in San Antonio with a bad cold. But I couldn't wait to get started, and so I just finished week 1 of the Elements crochet along, and I love this yarn from the Stonewashed yarn from Scheepjes, not Scheepjes, I don't know how you say it. Anyway, the Stonewashed yarn, I think it's a DK weight. But one thing I wanted to say is that if you don't want to go through the expense of getting their yarn, one yarn you could use that would be a very similar weight is probably the Karen yarn. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I don't always like using Karen yarn because it splits a lot. But the colors are vibrant and the weight is about the same. And so it would be very pretty. But I love this pattern. It's just so nice. And you know, I am so thankful that I did the Sophie's Universe crochet along a couple of years ago, because I learned some great techniques that we're using in this one. So it has really helped, because this one says it's for intermediate. Now, I'm not really sure if I did my last corner right. I mean, not just that corner, but the last row of week 1, the corners, because I think mine look a little bit different than they show on the pattern. But I think as long as you keep the right number of stitches, it will, even if you wonder if you've made a boo-boo, it's going to turn out, because that's the most important thing, making sure you have the right number of stitches. So I do have the right number of stitches, and we'll just see what the next week holds. Anyway, so I'm Dana with Nellie DC Crochet, wanting to show you week 1 of the Elements crochet along. And if you haven't started it yet, you ought to jump in, because right now it's not difficult. It's really fun, and you learn a lot of new techniques. So I'll see you for week 2. Bye-bye.